Ayan guys, punta na kami, malapit na kami sa Jollibee. Ayan. Alam niyo, itatry ko sana magmumukbang sana ako kasi lahat na lang ng lahat ng napapanood ko puro kayo mukbang. So, I don't know if we can do mukbang. Hinihila na ako ng aking pamangkin. Yan, gutom na kami, dalawa. Hindi man siya gutom, nagdadrama lang to. Hindi man halatang gutom. See you sa Jollibee. Yan, na-miss niya si Jollibee. Make like this with Jollibee, oh. What is Jollibee's reaction? Okay, say na. Go na. Let's go na, order na inside. Bye, Jollibee. Plug. Remove na. Hi, happy birthday sa Brie. Birthday, karawan ko daw. Bawal man sa akin ang birthday, day. You know that Belinda is Muslim, no? I did not celebrate any birthday actually. I'm just want to say alhamdulillah for everything. So guys, kain na tayo. 2 minutes only.
I don't know why did they not close that? Because I feel like it's all that.
Oh my god, we don't have drop.
Close it.
But that is hot. That is not cold. You should be feel hot. Wow, mag-ikot-ikot tayo dyan mamaya pagkayari.
Ano kasi?
I can see the house is so close.
I see you. Hi, baby. Uy, ang dami niyang pagkain. Magkamukha pa kami. Hindi, mas maganda ako sa kanya.
If you say that again, I'm gonna curse you.
Hi, Jollibee. See you. Tagal ko nang hindi pupunta dito kay Jollibee. Tapos, ayan. See you na, guys. Ayan. Kain na tayo, guys.
I almost dropped.
Hindi ako makamukbang mag-isa eh. So,
This one's for her, and this one's for her, this one's for me. Not the spicy one, because I do not like spicy.
ikaw manood ka rin ng ano, ha? Panoorin mo lahat ng mga videos namin pagka hindi ka busy. Yan.
We
Nasira
both
yung
have
ano ko yung
chicken, we
stick ko.
both have french fries, and I have ice cream, she has ice cream, she has juice, I have juice, but mine is Fanta, hers is what?
O, diba?
It's cola, hers is cola.
Naintindihan niyo yun. Nadugo ang ilong ko. Ang bilis na mag-English, no? Hindi sira. Manang-mana sa... Manang-mana kung ako lang may pinag-aralan, guys. Ay, naku. Siguro sasabihin ko mana sa akin. magpaganda ka naman. Minsan-minsan lang tayo harap sa camera. Magkalapit lang kami dito guys ng aking pamangkin na to. Walking distance lang siya. Pero ilang buwan kami hindi nagkikita ha. Eh, birthday ko. Birthday ko bukas. Kaya ayun, kaya puro na lang ako kay Adru. Adru, you know who is Adru?
I don't know.
Yung alaga ko. Yung alaga ko na baby. Kami.
Someone left the door open.
Yeah. Why not close? Iharap natin si Jollibee, baka makasahod tayo kay Jollibee. Iharap mo si Jollibee dito, oh. Bibigyan ka ng sahod ni Jollibee. Lagay mo dyan. Ayan. 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 Yan lang, oh. Yan. Ayan. Ayan ha, Jollibee. Bibigyan mo kami ng sahod. Ano nga yung sabi ko? Ilang minuto?
Close the door. It's so cold.
We don't have wet tissue, baby. Uh-oh. You need to drink. You need to eat that all. Where is my straw? Where my straw? Where's my straw, baby? No need the straw. Alam mo ba yung nanonood ng video mo? Lahat ng mga ano, ang galing-galing mo daw mag-English.
Comment to my YouTube channel. Then I will read it for my next video.
Again, what you say, sir?
Comment to my YouTube channel. Then I'll read it in my next video.
She will show you, she will eat the bitter melon.
Don't touch that one.
Which one you will do there?
On my forehead.
You need to make challenge. You need to do dance or singing.
Mine just has a hole. Or mine has a hole. Mine has have a hole.
Baby, you need to... You know how much your subscribers already?
How many?
I will make more your subscribers, but you need to do dance, singer.
Okay.
Actually, you're a good singer, no? Oh, it's 6 o'clock already. Oh, 6. See you later, guys. Yeah.
Okay, so we switch seats because I didn't want it to sit here, but I wanted to sit with her because I did not like sitting on the place where it's broken. So I decided to sit there. So you remember that I was here. Now we exchange here. Then I asked Tita to if I can go here, and then after I exchange to go here.
Because she's wearing a sexy dress. Yeah.
Better.
Show what you're eating. Why are you showing only the spoon?
It's not milk. It's ice cream.
Oh, I don't have left now. Oh my god. We need to go home now.
It's yummy. I was like, it's yummy. It is.
Baby, my data is finished. We need to go home.
Yep. You think my mom's here?
Huh?
Do you think my mom's already there? I think my mom's already there. Do you think my mom's already there?
Where?
Home.
It's complete now. We need to say bye now. Say bye. What do you say when you say bye bye? Bye guys.
Bye.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Don't copy my voice. You're dead.
Bye guys. Thank you. See you
Bye.
next time. Close. Para na ikaw yung may-ari dyan. We can go by there also? No. 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 Come here, baby.
और वो भी क्यों हो गया?
So let's go there. Okay, this is video first. Ta-da! Ta-da! No picture, video. Let's go there. Let's go first there. Oh, I want to take the video also. This flower. You know the flower? Yeah. Yeah, the flower. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Uy, may sasakyan. Okay, let's go.